If you want to make any file impossible to open, meaning intentionally corrupting the file, here's how you do it. You want to first open the file with a text editor. Notepad on Windows and TextEdit on macOS are the simplest text editors. You can do this with any type of file, an image file, Word doc, PDF, and so on. I'll go with an image file. Here's what it looks like when normally opened. Now to corrupt it. So I'll right-click on my image file, press Open With, and then go to Notepad. If Notepad doesn't show up among the options, go to Choose Another app and Notepad will be there. Once the file is open in the text editor, you won't see the actual text in the document. Instead, you'll see the raw, encoded data of the file. This is not meant to be human-readable. Now select a good chunk of this data randomly and delete it. By doing this, you'll either make the file incomplete for rendering, break the specific structure required to read the file, or invalidate the indexing in the file. Any of these actions will corrupt the file and make it unable to be opened by the applications normally equipped to open that file type. Now, why would you intentionally corrupt your own file and make it not able to be opened? One possible reason is that you have a deadline to submit something but know that you cannot finish it in time. If you email or upload the corrupted file before the deadline, you technically have met the deadline and can feign ignorance and pretend that an unforeseen accident caused an issue with the file, buying you time to complete the actual submission.